So supply chain is going through a sea change in the industry. It's been led by companies who are much more consumer orientated, like the consumer goods companies, food and beverage, the consumer electronics companies. Now the change is about moving from an inside out supply chain, in other words, manufacturing maximum use of assets to the customer, to designing the supply chain from the customer and the shelf and the point of purchase back to the supply chain. Now that may not sound like a significant change, but it's a fundamental shift. The business has to operate as a set of end-to-end processes. Functions, traditionally siloed functions of the supply chain, have to work together to sense and translate that on-shelf availability or the product availability in the marketplace all the way back into the supply system and drive manufacturing. That's fundamentally different to the way it's always been done. Sales and operations planning is where business leadership, finance, sales and marketing, and the product supply functions sit together and debate what are the most profitable opportunities to go after and whether in fact they're in a position with the right level of capacity to meet the demands that they have. And this collaboration is very new in the business. This traditionally didn't happen, but today virtually every single company is transforming around sales and operations planning, and a control tower capability, the information visibility, cost to serve information coming out of many systems is exactly what Kinaxis delivers with the control tower. Kinaxis Control Tower brings a very important capability to the business, and that is the fact that today agility, flexibility, performance in the marketplace is constrained by silos of organization and silos of information. So the most logical way to address this is in an overarching process-orientated visibility and availability of information, where I can do simulations, I can do analytics, I have visibility, I can track events. So the most fundamental breakthrough that Kinaxis Control Tower has brought to the supply chain transformation market is in fact this overarching information management layer that allows me to support the actual end-to-end operating business. The real leaders will be the ones that master the control tower capabilities together with their process capabilities. The process capability gets them to operate as an end-to-end business, responsive to market demands and profitably shaping that market demand. But at the same time, in order to achieve those companies that get there will need to use a Kinaxis Control Tower to deliver the end-to-end process, to deliver the end-to-end process capabilities. Process development without process information capabilities like the Kinaxis Control Tower will simply take too long to deliver real business value.